Hi guys, welcome to Tech Videos. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to take stunning portrait mode photos. This is super simple guys. All you have to go to camera from your phone, then you have to slide to the right, and you'll find here this portrait option. Okay, in this portrait option you can take the picture will be good, but if you want to make it more beautiful you can change the light. Here you can see that natural light, you can make it to studio light, you can make it to control light, stage light, make it stage light mono, high key light mono, that's up to you. I'm using natural light. Okay, then you'll find here on top this option, flash option. You can take your flash on or off, that's up to you. Then you'll find here bottom left corner zoom option. If you click on this 2, it will be more zoom, it will be like this 1 or 2. Okay, now if you want to change the frequency, you can click on top right corner your F icon, click on F, and you can change the frequency from here to the depth to the right, that's up to you. You can make it change. In this section it will be like this. Now if you want to make it a stand picture, you can make it this like and take the photos from it. Okay, super simple guys. Again I'm showing you from the first. Here's the natural light, or here's the studio light, control light, stage light. You can change the light from here. That will change your picture mode. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.